In this video, we are going to talk about Create Sticker, a new feature found in Cricut Design Space that helps you quickly and easily make stickers from any image. Let's dive in and I'm going to show you how this works. Making stickers with Cricut is one of my favorite things to do, and you can do it with almost every machine. Cricut has gave us a really cool new feature that is going to help you make stickers quickly and easily. So the first thing you need to know, this feature is only available with a Cricut Access subscription. All Cricut machines operate using the software Cricut Design Space. There is a free version of this software that's available to everyone. Cricut Access is a monthly subscription within Design Space. Now there is a free trial available, so if you like what you see here, there's a link down in the description. With Access, you have more fonts, images, projects, and all kinds of features that you can access, including Create Sticker. You also get special access to periodic deals and discounts throughout the year. You are able to use Create Sticker to make stickers within Cricut Design Space and save them, but you won't be able to click the Make It button unless you have an Access subscription. In order to make stickers properly, you need a machine that comes equipped with the print then cut function. It has a little sensor built in to where the blade is, and this senses the lines and tells the machine where to cut. 6 of the 7 machines have this function, so everything except the original Joy can do print then cut. So if you have any one of those 6 machines, you can follow along in this process for using Create Sticker. So let's open up Cricut Design Space to get started. Now just note, when I am doing the first part of this tutorial, this is on a version that does not have Access, so I'm going to show you how far you can get in this process without having Cricut Access. But ultimately, if you want to create stickers using Create Sticker, you need Access. So start by clicking on your face up here and go down to Settings. You want to make sure that you have the latest version of Cricut Design Space, otherwise Create Sticker is not going to show up. So this takes me to the canvas, and now I want to find some images to turn into stickers. I want to make some thank you stickers to attach to cards that I'm sending out. This is going to give me a lot of options. So over here, I'm going to narrow it down by print then cut. You do not have to do this, but it's just going to give me a little bit different options. So then I'm going to pick the ones I want to add to my sticker sheet. Again, you don't have to do print then cut. You can use any of these regular graphics and turn them into a sticker. That's what I love so much about Create Sticker. With everything on my canvas, I want to size these pieces down. I want each sticker to be about 1.5 inches wide. So these are all the different designs that I want to turn into stickers. Before I move any further, I'm going to click over here on blank canvas and I'm going to change my background color. I find this a little bit easier to work with stickers when I have a non-white background. So now we're going to start with this first sticker. Let's start with the one that's not print then cut. This is just a basic cut image. So I'm going to click on that, and up here, if you've updated your software, you now have the Create Sticker button. Since we're working in a version of Design Space that doesn't have Access, this is what you're going to see. So you can check this out and see if it's something you want to try before getting into Access. If you want to start that free trial, go down in the description and you can do your free trial of Access, which then allows you to make these stickers. So there's 2 options we have here. Die Cut cuts all the way through the material, so you have individual stickers, and Kiss Cut gives you a sheet of stickers that you can pull off. That's what I'm looking for. So there's a couple different options we have here for a border. Right now, if I just leave it as is, it is going to cut all these individual pieces out of the sticker, and I don't want that. I want to add a border around it. So there's a couple different size borders we can have. The thin one doesn't really work because it takes thank you and divides it into 2 pieces. The standard border seems about right. You can also go wide or custom, allowing you to create any kind of border you want. We're going to go back to standard. A die cut edge, if I click on this, you can kind of see it here, but what it does is it die cuts this whole sticker, but then adds a kiss cut in the center. So you could have individual stickers that are really easy to peel. And now I'm just going to hit apply. So now let's make one of these into a die cut sticker and just go through that process. It's almost the same. There's just not quite as many options. We're going to add standard. Actually, we're going to do a thin border on that one. And that's about it. We just hit apply. But since I want all of these stickers to be the same, I want to actually make this a kiss cut sticker. So I can right click on here and click undo sticker, or I can go back up here to edit sticker and undo sticker. So that just turns it back into, in this case, a print then cut image. So I'm going to go ahead and make this a kiss cut sticker, but just with a thin border on this one. So I like making these into stickers one at a time. You do have the ability to select a couple different ones. But all of your settings are going to be the same. So for this thank you one, I don't necessarily need a border, but I would have to select it separately if I wanted to have different options for it. And if I make them all together, this piece is then attached. I cannot separate these if I wanted them. And I'd actually like to separate them so I can make the best use of space on my sticker sheet. So we're going to undo that, and I'm going to go ahead and make all of these into kiss cut stickers. Now that each of these is turned into a sticker, I am going to duplicate a couple of them because I want to make multiple stickers. We talked about these 6 available machines that have the print then cut feature. So basically anything except the Joy. Make sure you have your appropriate machine selected, and then we can go to make it. Now I'm noticing here that I actually have a little bit extra room, so I'm going to go back and add stickers until I completely fill this page. So I have filled my page. I'm ready to move on to the next step. From here, this operates just like any other time that you have made stickers. So the first thing I'm going to do is send it over to my printer. I always print with my system dialog box. I really like the Cricut sticker options. They have reformulated these and they're really nice. So there's printable sticker paper, there's waterproof sticker sets. So you actually print the sticker on one piece and then add a piece of laminate over it so it's waterproof. And then there's also printable vinyl. So I love these. If you have used them in the past, they have gotten better. So I highly recommend checking them out again. So because these are just going on envelopes, I don't need them to be waterproof. I'm opting for the printable sticker paper. And because I'm choosing just photo paper, these are the settings I am using. I want it to be on that matte photo paper. With the stickers printed, we're going to go back into Design Space and get set up for the cut. If this is the first time using your machine to do print then cut, you're going to be prompted to calibrate your machine. Do not skip this step, just follow the steps. It's pretty straightforward, but it's going to help you get a really accurate cut. Select the appropriate material. In this case, it's printable sticker paper. Place your sticker sheet onto a mat, and it's best to use a brayer to put this on. That way you're not rubbing your fingers over the top and getting any oils or grease on those stickers. Then just follow the prompts and let your machine kiss cut a sheet of stickers. I have been making stickers with Cricut for years, and I have to say this new Create Sticker feature just makes the process so much easier. It takes a lot of the frustration and confusion out of it. I highly recommend you check this out. Do that free trial of Cricut Access if you don't already have a subscription, and make yourself some stickers. I also think you'll really like the new and improved Cricut sticker paper and sticker sets that they have available. They're excellent to work with. If you learned something in this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you have any more comments down below. I'd be happy to chat with you. And if you like Cricut videos, be sure to subscribe. I am here every week with something new. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.